I'm proud of Africa.
Welcome back to another video. My name is Nicholas and this is Eating the African. From one of the videos we did, which was sugarcane juice, when I went through comment section, it seemed like we missed out a lot of information. And then I had to look for another place, a second place where we can do the video and give you full details. And most of the questions which we are asked were, where should we buy the machine? How much is the machine? And people wanted more details, how this juice is made, what the ingredients they use. So in this video, we are going to make sure we provide all the information we missed out or we lacked out or what you wanted to know. So we're going to meet one of the guys who has sugarcane machine in Kasenyi landing site. In this video, we're going to go deep into the video and see how this juice is made. So keep watching, don't go anywhere. So let's go meet this gentleman and take us through the video.
Hello everyone, this is Kenan Kutenda and we are glad for hosting us on this page, on this YouTube channel, Eating the African Way. And this is Fractions Juice Bar, located at Kasenyi landing site, one of the shores of Lake Victoria. Well, the kind of sugar cane, they are in mainly two types. There is the brown, the yellow one, which is this type, and there is the other one, which I'm going to show you, the red type. And those two types, each one of them has an advantage and a disadvantage. This one, the yellow type, has got a lot of what I need, a lot of soup. We can relate it as soup, but it's water, juice, a lot of juice in it. And then the other one has small quantity of juice in it, but the other one is more sweeter than this one. So if you prefer more money, you can use this one. But if you prefer the taste, you can go with the other red one. So this is how we ensure the freshness of the sugarcane. We buy them from the marketplace a day before. Then afterwards, we clean them. Then after, we have to put them in a cool place. And we must especially use a refrigerator. Then after, from there, we bring them to the table to blend, to make juice. So it would have been better if one is to go into this business with a refrigerator. Yes. Well, sugarcane juice has a lot of benefits, whereby it gives instant energy, it is antioxidant, and it rehydrates the body. But if you want more of this, you can Google and you will find so many uses of sugarcane juice. Yes, thank you. One of the things that make us stand different from the other juices all around, all the sugarcane juice businesses, is we respect the customer's choice. Whereby a customer, when she or comes with a specific order, we make sure that we blend it as it has been ordered. Then the other thing is we put in a lot of effort to find new ingredients that can move with sugarcane juice. You can put in pineapple, as you've seen today. We've not had Mondia White, which is mlondo in our local language. We don't have beetroot, but we have improvised some other stuff like oranges to make it more sweeter as usual.
The DNA of Africa flows in every fiber of our being. The glory and light of Africa shines brighter and brighter. Africa to the world.
Well, you can be asking yourself if we put in preservatives, but we don't include any preservative. But in our ingredients, we have lemon that can help it to stay for about 2 to 3 days, and it helps it to stay natural and healthy. Yeah. We always have a problem of poor hygiene, and the environment we work in is not suitable as well, but we try our level best to keep it at least safe for our health, to make a health natural drink. So one of the ways one of the precautions we use is we first clean the place before we start operating from in it, and then also the sugar cane, before we blend it, we first clean it. Especially these joints, we have to make sure that they are well and properly cleaned. So those are one of the ways, but we also spray before we start blending the sugar cane. Yeah, those are one of the ways how we can keep the place safe for our customers to take a health drink. The taste of the sugar cane is not determined by seasons, but it can be determined by the fertility of the soil and the longevity of the harvest of the sugar cane. What do I mean by longevity? It depends on the number of harvests you have harvested in a particular place. You can plant and harvest and plant and harvest, then that coming season, the taste of the sugar cane might change a little bit because it has aged. One of the magic we use in our juice is that we can customize the customer's preference, whereby we honor orders. We honor orders, the customer's order. We can put pineapple with sugar cane. We can put sour sap with sugar cane, ginger, lemon, all that kind, to make it suitable and tasty for our customers. Well, for more information about sugarcane juice, business, sugarcane machine, sugarcane learning, if you want to know how to blend, you can ask Nicholas for my contact. It will be directed to you. But you can be there asking yourself, where can I pick up this machine if I'm interested to do business, well, if you are in Uganda, there are so many parts of and so many outlets of sugar, so many outlets where they sell these machines, but most especially you can go China North Machinery located in industrial area, and it will cost you about $200 in our money. Maybe they will put it on the screen. Thank you.
Thank you so much for keeping yourself on Eating the African Way. I know you have got more than what you expected in this video. We got a very welcoming gentleman. We had the interview in English. We did not go through a lot of struggles. I know you have been listening attentively. So what else? What else should we talk about apart from closing the video? I'm going to drop his number in the description box. In case you want to get more information, get his number, call him, send him WhatsApp message. He's a very welcoming person. You acquire more information from him, because me, most of the time I just eat. So let me close this. I go back home. Wow. So this size is going to cost you 2,000 Ugandan shillings. And also, so this one is going to cost you 1,000 Ugandan shillings. This is 2,000 Ugandan shillings. I'll put that on the screen so that you can get the right information. Is there anything else we left out? You can drop that in the comment section, because so that in other videos I start with that. But I think we have covered enough. Catch up later. Bye bye for now. I love you all.
Mwebale, afuyo mate. Asante.
Eh?